In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this HD lace deep part salon touch lace glueless wig from Motown Tress. And yes, this is called the ALEXIA in the color Mocha Frost. So stay tuned. And also, I'm doing a giveaway. Check the description box.
I don't play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free. That's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒮𝒾𝓃𝒾𝓃, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. And if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So before we get into the wig install, I'm going to show y'all what I got from Temu. A mannequin head. And this right here, which is pretty much separate. Had to order them separately in order to have this standing up, you know, moving it around. I would need this, and I also ordered some pins so I can put the wig on here without moving. This was a good buy. I needed this, and I also got some olive oil hair holding mousse from Temu. And I don't know, I mean, it's a little small compared to, like, you know, the regular mousse, which is like a little taller, but this is cute. I'm gonna open it. Okay, it's cute. Or to do your edges, or you know what I'm saying, your baby hairs, and you want to put a little bit on it and you want to swoop it, this will be a perfect size, perfect amount for that. I wouldn't get a whole unit, and this will be gone with one wig, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I just want to share that with you guys. If you see me, you're gonna see a new wig, a new unit. So today unit wig is this one. We are one. So this is a Motown, let me see, Motown Tress, and this is what she looks like, and this is cute. So I got this in a Mocha Frost. The color I got is Mocha Frost, and they have other colors at the bottom, and it's like a blonde, like all the colors at the bottom blonde, some type of blonde, either dark, light. I think I got the lightest one. Let's open her up and then let's install. This unit is called ALEXIA, 20 inches, HD lace deep part salon touch lace glueless wig. You can wear this glueless. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wear it glueless instead of, you know, using my melting spray, you know, all that to lay the lace down. I'm going to wear it glueless and see how that turns out to be.
my neck, my back.
So what a rip around. Oh my, oh my,
my neck, my back, my neck, my back, my neck, my back, 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 my back, my neck, my back.
Black girl, if you 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl, if you